Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to a 638 acre Sandalwood mountain that's for sale, where you can do whatever the hell you want. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special episode. We are actually in Kailua, Kona, over here on the Big Island. We just flew over from Oahu. Today we're gonna not just talk real estate, we're gonna check out a 638 acre parcel up on the western slopes of Mauna Loa, but the main focus today is we're gonna tell the story of Haloa Aina, which is a Hawaiian Sandalwood reforestation project. We've got Wade Lee, the owner, who's gonna pick us up here. He's gonna take us up there. It's something really special to me. I used to work for this project. Sandalwood is very, very important piece of Hawaiian history. So today we're gonna learn about that. We're gonna see some incredible real estate. We're gonna go cruise around over 30,000 acres. We're gonna do some super fun stuff, and we're even gonna hope to get some surfing in at the end. So check it out, let's go. Hey, one of the really cool things about inter-island travel here in Hawaii, like that was a little 45-minute flight from Honolulu to Kona, but Hawaiian Air, if you're a Premier member, or Huaka'i now, is what it's called, you get to bring surfboards for free. So brought my board over, free of charge, just like any kind of luggage. We got off the plane, board was waiting, and now we're here in Kona, so if the surf's good, great. If it's not, who cares? The board was free. Thank you, Hawaiian, let's go. We got Wade Lee picking us up right now. This guy is the man. Yeah, Uncle Wade. Okay guys, so we're here at Pine Tree Cafe. Obviously we just got to Kona. We got Ryan Lee here, he's one of my best friends. And then we got his dad, Wade Lee here. This spot, Pine Trees, I used to come here when I used to work for these guys. And this is just your standard bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. Phenomenal. Check out Pine Trees Cafe. We're gonna smash these sandwiches, grab some Kona coffee, and then we're gonna go, and Wade's gonna educate us on ʻIliahi or Hawaiian Sandalwood. Okay guys, quick little local tip here in Kona. We're at Kona Mountain Coffee. I gotta highlight this. When I used to live here, they had these signature Rocky Road, like little chocolate bars, marshmallows and stuff. This is the most next level thing ever. So we just got some Kona coffee. This, once again, is one of my best friends, Ryan Lee. He runs the mountain we're going to, the Sandalwood Mountain at Haloa Aina. He's the big dog up there. Ryan, tell us where we're heading, like in relation to Kona right now, so people know where we're going.
So let's just shift to Kona. We're about 20 to 30 minutes out that way. It's looking south, and it's above a town called Kainaleo. There's also Kona Aina High School and elementary. It's a K-12 school. We're about 6 miles above Kona Aina High School at the 5,000 feet elevation. And we're gonna start that journey now.
Okay guys, so we're here at the base of the mountain where we're gonna go up 8 miles. We are right up above, right by Kealakekua, which is Kealakekua Bay, super famous. It's where Captain James Cook sailed into the Big Island. It's also where the monument for him is and where he was executed on the beach. Ryan, tell us where we're going right now.
So right now we're gonna be driving up this road. This is a deeded easement for part of the property, and you're gonna do about 5 miles of paved, and then there's gonna be 3 miles of minor, just gravel road till we reach the property.
And so just so you understand how private this property we're going to is, not just Haloa Aina, but the property that's for sale. We already came through one gate. There's 2 other gates, clicker access. So once you get up there, it's just super VIP only. This is an incredible thing to see. Let's go check it out. Okay guys, so we have made it up to the top of the mountain. We are on Haloa Aina property. This land we are on is owned by Ryan's family, Wade, Ryan, the whole crew. And just kind of wanted to highlight what this is all about up here. So this is a Sandalwood reforestation project. Wade and Ryan are gonna kind of give you the rundown, but just the general basics. This is a sandalwood tree right here, what you're filming right now. This is sandalwood, or ʻIliahi in Hawaiian. And this over here is a koa tree right here. Koa is an extremely rare wood. Both are extremely valuable in terms like monetary. Something really interesting about sandalwood, and Ryan, correct me if I'm wrong, it's a parasitic tree. So for it to grow, basically the roots grow like horizontally throughout the ground, and they find a host tree, which would be Koa, and they basically drain its nutrients, and that's how it grows. Okay, so now I'm here with Wade Lee. He's the owner of this project. He's the guy that started this whole thing. We are under a Koa tree.
This particular tree has the ability to trap the nitrogen in the atmosphere, because what we're breathing in our air is 80% nitrogen. But this is one of the few plants that will be able to trap that nitrogen out of the atmosphere and put it into the soil. So this is the beginning of construction of your substrate in a forest ecosystem. The next organism that we concentrate on is the sandalwood tree. And the sandalwood tree is a hemiparasitic plant. And the reason it's not a true parasite is the fact that it still has leaves and it photosynthesizes just like any other plant. Its parasitic nature comes from its inability to absorb water and nutrients from the ground. Those roots then attach themselves to the Koa tree and steal the nitrogen and the water from another tree. Within a 30-year cycle, this sandalwood tree will kill 7 koas.
We're about to go check out the oil production facility, but it all starts here. This is Sandalwood Lumber. Well, it's not, it's like raw sandalwood. Ryan actually helped fly this in with a helicopter from the forest after it was harvested.
When we go out to harvest, our main goal is to take out the dead or dying. These trees are probably over 100 years old each. There is just fields of dead wood. This is a dead wood flyout. The tree at the end of stage of its life, it pulls in all the minerals from all around and basically makes their heartwood super dense. It's the second most dense wood in the world.
Cool, so we just showed you the lumber, talked about what the value was, especially once we broke it down to oil, turned it into oil, distilled it. So this is about 1.7 kilos of sandalwood oil. But once they break this down and break this into 5 milliliter bottles, this street value of this is about $42,000. So for this oil right here, 42 G's. So Ryan's gonna tell us the quick little rundown of how they make it.
So a quick production rundown. When we take that wood that we just seen, we put it through a chipper. Take it to the chipper, we put it to this granulator. What we're doing is we're downsizing the second most dense wood in the world to an oil. So after we chip it, we granulate it. When we granulate it, we take it down to a 6/1000th of an inch, which is about the size of a grain of rice. So this product is granulated material, and it's fully organic. It's about 6/1000ths of an inch. So we take this material, 250 to 300 kilos of that granulated material into each one of these big vats. And when it goes through this, it's coming in with 120 PSI at 139 degrees Celsius, which is roughly about 200 and almost 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it comes into here, it goes into this giant pressurized cooker. It sits and cooks inside of this for about 24 to 30 hours. And it comes through, and it goes through this cooling tower. Imagine this cooling tower as a radiator for a car. This is my radiator well, and this is my cooling tower. It takes that material that's sitting at 139 degrees Celsius, brings it to a 1.2 bars of pressure, which is atmospheric pressure. And it goes into the separator tank. The separator tank, this oil floats, is lighter than water. It floats on the top. And we pull it out of this little beaker and we get into this oil section.
Okay guys, so here we are on the listing. This is the south lot. This is listed by Ginella with Real Broker. Sean, good buddy of the family. Him and I worked together on Oahu. He would have been here today. He had a surf injury from yesterday, so he couldn't make the flight. Anyway, 632 acres, 6.9 million bucks. Just so we just kind of went through the process of explaining the value of sandalwood and the oil. So from a 2020 inventory of timber on this property, there's about $6 million worth of wood here. If you were to break if you were to break it down and sell it at wholesale pricing. So you almost have the purchase price of the land value just in terms of value of wood here. Then you have 632 acres, sandalwood, Koa, pretty much you can do whatever you want up here. There's multiple flat spaces to build a house. If you're looking for some kind of family refuge, escape, I mean, places like this just rarely exist these days. This is a truly special place on earth, and yeah, we're just stoked to be here.
So there's about 6.5 miles of road that's already been done. When I say by road, it's much more of this excavator trails done with a backhoe, done with a Lieboy, and we kind of just flatten out the roads, and it's a good road maintenance. But you have about 6.5 miles of road already on the property. Most of it fenced. You have your bottomscape. So this isn't the property line. There's actually maybe about, I don't know, 70 yards below this rock wall, there's another fence line, and that's your property line. But it goes all the way up, and your fence on this side, the west, the south, and just not the east side. But when you're going to the north and the east side, we're on your north side, but you're basically fenced on 2 sides of your property as well, if you purchase this.
Yeah, if someone wants to learn more about this property, just reach out via contact info below. We can bring you to the property. We can give you the VIP tour just like this video is kind of done. We'll have Ryan, we'll have Wade, we'll have Sean, we'll have the whole crew. We'll show you what's up. We'll kind of immerse you in it. And if you want to, we can hang out. We can show you all the cool stuff that can be done. Oh, hit us up if you want a tour. 2 for 2, baby. I thought I missed it both times, and I was just a disappointment to the Lee family who are these badass hunter-gatherer men. But actually, I hit it twice. Bullseye, bullseye, baby. Let's go.
There's your exit wounds too. Yeah, you got it twice. 2 exit wounds, but the bullets are fast. It's such a small distance.
Let's go.
It's a light target.
Oh man, I was about so embarrassed. I would have lost sleep tonight. Okay guys, so we just came down the mountain. We just had that incredible tour of the Sandalwood Mountain and the property. And we are here, had a wardrobe change covered in dust from the mountain. So we are here at Toshimas restaurant in Kealakekua. Ryan has been talking a big game. Apparently this is old school Japanese restaurant, has been here in this location for an extremely long time.
Extremely long time.
And I've had multiple people tell me about it. The reviews are super high, so let's check this out and see how it is. Test out this sashimi. Man, I don't know how much fresher it could get. You want to try it, Ryan?
Oh yeah, I love your sashimi.
Katsu. Just gonna go eat the whole thing in one bite. So it's panko crusted fish. So I told her I wanted something light because we're about to go serve. And I mean, fish was incredible. Panko fish was incredible. How's that?
Delicious.
Now let's try this sukiyaki or whatever. The hype is real. If anyone's in Kona, South Kona, come to Toshimas. This place is the bomb. Overall atmosphere. I love these separators between the tables so we can get loud and feel like we're not bothering people. This place, atmosphere, overall, A+.
Awesome.
All right, so we're right here in Kona, in Kailua, Kona town, right off of Li'i Drive. This is actually where they start the Ironman. So where the swim is. So yeah, that's where they started. Yeah. And the finish line's here too. So the Ironman World Championships is done right here in Kona. The finish line's right over there. So most badass triathletes in the world every year. We're here checking the surf spot. We're hoping to get some waves. Doesn't look that good, so we're gonna go check another spot.
I just don't think this is in the right angle. Maybe the tide's a little high, but I hope for Honoka'a Harbor. This place is called Kona Inn, but I think we're near the stop.
All right, so we are here now, spot check number 2. We're at the harbor, right by the airport in Kona. We're meeting Ryan's cousin, Kyle Lee. We're meeting Sean Ginella, the list agent for that property, saw his son, Johnny Ginella. We're gonna go get on a boat. We're gonna go out and we're gonna hopefully get some waves. Woo! B is gonna drone from the boat. Alright guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. It was an epic day. Got my man Ryan Lee here. Fucking big mahalos to him for showing us all the aloha over here on Big Island. Hope everyone enjoyed learning about Sandalwood. Interesting fact, this wave here is famous for a 20-foot tiger shark named Laverne. There's actually a restaurant out here. And so when we first got out, it was just the two of us. I was thinking about Laverne. Anyway, everyone, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Have a great day. Aloha.